May we embed this commitment in the culture of public service, always learning, always improving, all for the greater good of those that we serve. Ladies and gentlemen, amidst the challenges affecting our institutions, we must remain firm, uncompromised, and united in fighting corruption. The unscrupulous abuse of power and greed must come to an end. Dismayado ang maraming Pilipino dahil sa mga patong-patong na isyong lumulunod sa kanila araw-araw. Our people are exhausted. They are disappointed. They are angry. And as I have said before, their rage is valid. It is born from years of frustration at a government characterized by systemic dysfunction and unfulfilled promises. Let us not dismiss that anger. Let us confront it. Let us be humble and provide concrete solutions. Alam naman natin ang mga mali, kaya dapat nating itama. Reforming our government is the only way we have to win back the trust of our people. We come from different provinces and parties and have varying perspectives, but we are all united in our commitment to serve the Filipino people. Patunayan natin na wala sa kulay ng politika ang tunay na paglilingkod. Ito ay nasa puso, nasa konsyensya, at higit sa lahat ay nasa gawa. I know we have it in us to deliver the service to our people, that which they rightfully deserve. Ibigay natin yun sa kanila. Ibigay natin sa mga anak at apo natin ang isang pamahalaang marangal at maipagmamalaki nila. So if we truly believe in a bagong Pilipinas, then we as leaders must be the very examples of a bagong Pilipino. Tapat, disiplinado, at may tunay na malasakit para sa bayan.